In this video, I will show you how to become a Shopify partner. To do this, what you want to do is go to shopify.com/partners. From there, all you have to do is click Become a Partner, and then first create a Shopify account or log in if you already have one. Then they will ask how would you like to get started as a partner. You can choose to create and set up a new partner organization or join an existing partner organization. For example, if you want to create a new one, click on that. Then what is your main focus as a Shopify partner? So build new Shopify stores for clients, building apps, building themes for the Shopify theme store, provide services for existing businesses, or something else. For example, I'll go build apps and then next. Then we ask where your business is located. So just enter that, and if necessary, also enter the region and then click next. Then add your business contact information, such as business name, address, city, zip, and business email address. And then you need to read and agree to the partner program agreement. And then after filling that in, click on Create Partner Organization. So now it's creating your partner organization, or if you're joining one, these steps will be slightly different. But from here, you can now start building a store or do whatever else you want to do. So you can also go through the apps and build your own apps. You can get into themes, etc. So now you know how to become a Shopify partner. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.